Hello everybody! In continuation of my previous video about the 101 different ways to install Proxmox, here I'll show you the full install on a Dell R630 using an iDRAC in a graphical way using ZFS RAID 10 on 4 SAS drives. Now I'll be installing Proxmox the GUI way with ZFS RAID 10 using 4 SAS drives. Let's go to the boot menu. Let's go to one-shot boot. And let's take the second USB, which contains an ISO with Proxmox installed on. I accept the license agreement and I go to disk options and now I select ZFS RAID 10. I select my first 4 disks and I exclude everything else. And in my advanced options, compression and checksum are on. And the hard disk size is 1.1 terabyte. Let's continue. Let's go to regional settings. I choose Dutch to have an AZT keyboard. I enter my password. I enter my email address and I say next, and again the network card is incorrect. I change the host domain name and I change the IP address. I change the gateway and the DNS server. And in the overview it shows me I'm installing ZFS in RAID 10. Let's go. And the installation is finished. And it's rebooting. And we have again the more special menu because of RAID. And if you look closely, you'll see ZFS in the description. And again, we have the certificate warning. We click Advanced and we accept the certificate. Then we log in, username root and password. And if we go to disks, now we have 4 disks, all 4 with ZFS. If we go to ZFS pool, we have 2 terabytes since we have RAID 10, 2 times RAID 0, 2 times RAID 1. If we go to summary, the memory is still at around 3 gigabytes, which is quite okay. If we go to the shell and we do find mount, we see it's ZFS. If you guys enjoyed this content, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell sign. Or leave a comment down below.